Hey guys, this is Scott at Slash Gear, and I got something cool for you to check out. I know a lot of you have probably thought about doing liquid cooling for your systems. It keeps it nice and cool and silent, but looking at all the tubes and stuff you're going to have to deal with, cutting holes in your cases, or getting a special case just for it, that can be kind of a pain to deal with. So if you're wanting something small, something simple, that's still going to be effective, you might want to check out this Pure from CoolIT. It's a self-contained unit, so you don't have to worry about any tubes going inside, outside the case. It's just all right here. This goes right on top of your CPU, and then this will install in the back of your case where your normal exhaust fan would go, and that's really it. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to install on one of our systems. Check it out. Alright, so here's the inside of my case, and I'm going to have to do a little work to get ready for the installation. Basically what I need to do is I'm going to have to take off the heatsink and fan, and then the rear fan over here. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Okay, so I've removed the fan and heatsink, and what I'm going to need to do now is actually remove the motherboard, because I've got to do a little work on the backside. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Okay, I've removed the motherboard, and now what I need to do is use these risers and go ahead and install them right here on the motherboard. So I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick. Alright, now that's installed, so I'm going to go ahead and put everything back together. Okay, I've got everything put back inside the case. So what I'm going to have to do now is I've got two of these retention bars, which will be attached to the 4 pegs that I just installed, and those are actually going to hold this part down onto the CPU. So the first thing that we're going to have to do, because these tubes are so short, I'm actually going to have to find somewhere to position this entire unit inside the case without scratching it up. So I've got plenty of room in this case, so I can just set it here, and that'll give me plenty of room to work with. So I'm going to go ahead and take off the plastic covering here. And it's already got thermal paste on it. If you've got some, Arctic 5 that you want to throw on there, you can take this off and put that on. But for now, I'm just going to go ahead and leave this on. Alright, things are not going anywhere. Now, all I need to do is position this back where the exhaust fan was that I took out earlier. So I've got little screws to put in there. All I need to do now is hook up the power cord, and we're ready to go.